What's happening YouTube, it's your boy TechTricks back to another video, and today we're looking at the Govee TV Backlight T2, the world's first dual camera color match for your TV. Here we go. First things first, make sure to hit that subscribe button below, hit the notification bell so you could be notified of next videos to come up tips and tricks and unboxing just like this one. Check out my merch below at 1130.ca. Hit that like button as well so we can beat that YouTube algorithm. Without further ado, let's go ahead and show you the Govee TV Backlight T2. This is the world's first dual camera color match, and it's good for 55-inch to 65-inch TV and 75 to 85-inch TV. This is also powered with Govee nVisual, which is the world-leading camera color match technology. This is the first patented color match tech in all camera color matching products. This is also the first zone division color matching scheme in all camera color matching products, which brings the first technology with exclusive color matching scheme for specific type of video content. Camera form has the best compatibility in all color matching products as well, and the most accurate in all camera color matching products. I would say that this is better compatibility than some of the HDMI color matching technology, and it has better accuracy as well than all other camera color matching technology. This new dual camera brings the algorithm power upgrade, 40% accuracy upgrade than the previous model T1. It also has double light beads placed than the T1. In the box, it comes with this LED strip on this little wheel. It is a 3M tape on the back, so you just have to clean the back of your TV and attach this to there. It's also USB-C, which is really nice. Basically, I just cleaned the back of the TV. I stripped the red part and this gray part shows, and then that's the one I stuck on the back of the TV. Once you're done, it should look like this. The corners, it's not that complicated. You just have to curl it so that it looks better. It also comes with this simple controller with 3 buttons on it, 2 USB-Cs on the side. One is for the camera, which is a flat cable right here. The bottom is for the LEDs, and then the other side has the plug-in button. The back also has a 3M tape, so you could attach it to the back of the TV. This is the dual camera tech that they have on the T2, and it's USB-C in the back, which is detachable as well. The little leg on the back of the Govee T2 camera is movable so that you can adjust it to the back of the TV so it'll sit there firmly. The T2 doesn't need any adhesive or anything like that. It'll sit in the back of the TV without scratching it whatsoever. Definitely a good upgrade from the old one. The key difference on the T1 and the T2 is the camera itself. The T1 needs an adhesive that you can attach on top of the TV. The T2 just sits up there. So the T1 also has the single camera. The T2 has the dual camera. The T1 cable is also undetachable and it's USB-A. The T2 is upgraded to USB-C and it's detachable. Quite honestly, the T1 is a little bit flimsy on the stem. The T2 has a bigger build to it. It has a bigger texture as well, and it'll sit up there. It won't wobble or anything like that. And it's quite more hefty and better quality build. It has a nice color design as well on top here with the gray finish. When I installed the T1 with the adhesive, I didn't like that having on my TV, but the T2 just sits up there, which is way nicer. Now go ahead and download the Govee app. Go make an account and we're going to add a new device here. All we're going to do is search T2, and as you could see there, you just add it right here. Once your strip lights are powered and plugged in, then you should see it on the pairing there. We're going to short press the power button on the strip lights. And really that's it. Just have to name whatever device this is. So I'm just gonna leave it like this and hit done. We're gonna skip this video because we've already installed it. It's gonna go through the calibration here. We're just gonna calibrate the lights. After that, we're gonna connect it to the Wi-Fi. Make sure that it's using the 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi. And then now we're gonna attach the orange stickers on the corners and also in betweens. Once we've done that, we're just gonna see the camera right here. As you can see, there's two cameras side by side here, stitched right in the middle. And here what we're gonna do is we're gonna place the dots here on where the orange blocks that we've installed earlier. We're just gonna attach it like so. Just take your time, make sure that it's accurate there, and then that should be able to read the corners of our TV. Now the settings that Govee recommends is the video here, saturation about 50%. The color lights there, just click part and hit movie as well. Sound effects is turned off. Govee Visual Color Match technology is 40% accuracy upgrade than the previous model as well. The new patented Govee Visual Color Match technology divides the TV screen into several zones to capture pixels individually on every zone, result in accurate color matching effect. For T2, Govee added more zones at the four corners to capture more precisely. So the previous model with the single camera lens can capture up to 171K pixel dots on the whole screen in total in every half a second. For the T2, the one camera captures the pixel dots on half the screen of each. So it captures 345K pixel dots on the whole screen in total in every half a second. That's amazing. There's also the double RGBIC light beads on the light strip, which helps the lights effects and the transition is more vivid and natural. The RGBIC innovation is way better than RGB. They've placed the IC chips in the lights, making the multiple colors and effects can display this at the same time on one segment. On the previous model, there's also 30 RGBIC light beads per meter. On the T2, the brand new one, has 60 RGBIC light beads per meter. There is also different Govee lights like these light bars that are used for home theaters. It is great for watching movies and also having that color accuracy sync with your Govee T2. Stay tuned for the next video because we're gonna review the light bars. But for now, we're gonna show you how to set this up on the Govee app. Make sure that the lights that you want to sync with the movie Dream View is already connected to the app. Here we're just gonna connect it with the movie watching Dream View, and then we're gonna add a device here and we're gonna add the light bars. Now if you have more Govee lights, then you can use those as well and sync it with this and have a party of lights going together while you're watching a movie or while you're listening to music. And that's it for the day, everyone. Thanks for watching. Next time we're gonna review the light bar, so stay tuned for that. Make sure to subscribe to my channel if you want to get one of these. I'll link this down below, so go ahead and check that out. Make sure to hit that like button as well so we can beat that YouTube algorithm. I hope you guys have a good day and stay grateful. Peace.